morning, everyone, and welcome back to Alaska Rural Homestead. I'm Michelle. Well, today is the day that I have to castrate the piglets. Now, owning a homestead is not a glamorous job. There's decisions that you're not always going to enjoy. The piglets are a few weeks old now, and they're eating out of my hand. It was so adorable. And according to the old Farmer's Almanac, it is the perfect time to castrate our livestock. So we're going to have to round up the piglets, and I am going to have Cousin Joe helping me today. So it's going to be an adventure. Now, you do not want to be castrating any of your animals if you're not experienced. You can run into some problems. So one thing that we're going to be looking for when we go to castrate the piglets is to make sure that they don't have any hernias or almost like a protrusion in their stomach area. We're looking to make sure that their testicles have actually dropped. So I'll be cutting through 3 layers of skin just on the testicle. And that's where a lot of the bleeding and sensitivity is going to come from. But we're going to be making a small incision right over the testicle. We're going to be going a little bit high on the testicle just to keep out any debris and to keep the wound clean. I want to give a shout out to all the shed warriors, because this is how we do meat production on our homestead. Now, we do have most of the piglets sold, but we will be keeping one of those piglets for ourselves that we will be raising for a feeder pig to get some nice hams in the freezer. So we're going to get these piglets rounded up, which is always a fun and interesting time. So I'm going to be getting the piglets in a crate, and I'm going to be taking them down to the end of the field. That way Charlotte doesn't get too worked up if the piglets do happen to squeal. I'll be gathering up some of my supplies to make a nice clean incision. And so let's get started. All right, so right here we've got some supplies. We've got witch hazel, which has pain reliever in it in case we need it. We've got some gauze 4x4s. We've got microbial spray here. We've got some baby wipes, and these are the unscented, just plain baby wipes. I've got some blue coat in case I need to wipe the wound. And another thing which is really great is this iodine tincture. Got some gloves. Then we have this chlorhexidine. And I've got my razor blades here. Anytime you are going to be doing this, you want to make sure that you have really clean, sterile supplies. I've got this.
You want, I can do it good.
I'll do it, Joseph. Okay, supposedly I grabbed the wrong razor blades for my knife here. So I'm just going to be using this knife.
Numero
uno. Let me get some water in this, Joseph.
Okay. Okay. How much you want?
Just enough.
About 1.5 inches.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, chill out.
Okay.
I'm not going nowhere. Now the fun part. There you go.
Okay.
It's all yours.
Okay.
You ain't going nowhere, dude.
Now here is the crease right here of the testicle.
The higher the cut, the better.
Okay.
That way when they lay down, they don't get so much dirt in it.
See, he's not in pain or anything right now. Okay, so we went through the first layer.
And I'll tell you what, if you can hold these, I can do that part.
Okay.
Hold his legs. All right, you gotta hold his nut up there like that.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Hold on.
There you go.
That's probably good.
Take that.
Hold on, Joseph. Go.
See where it is?
Mm-hmm.
Go on the top side and get it just a little bit more from my thumb up. A little more. There you go.
All right.
There's one.
Okay. All right. All right. Hold on. Hold in, Joseph.
Got him. And he quit bleeding. Cool.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Right off. It cooled up.
Can't.
A little more. See where that second slit is? Oh, there you go, a little more. Right there.
Right there?
Right across. I ain't tried to pop out yet.
Okay.
Nope, still gotta go. I ain't tried to pop out yet. Perfect.
Okay.
There you go.
Yes.
There you go.
Perfect.
Number one. Done.
Okay. Hold on just
Give
a
it some
second.
antiseptic. Hang on, little fella. Let me get that skin out. Hang on. Hang on. There you go. Got him.
There we go. And one piglet done.
That's easy enough. Alright, little fella. I'm gonna look like I pee myself.
Oh, my dad. Okay, just put them like that, Joseph.
I got him.
There you go.
There you go, little guy.
I'm sorry.
All right, your turn.
You probably peed yourself from me doing this.
No.
Sorry.
No, I
Okay.
peed myself because you squirted me.
Okay.
Gotta get him up just a little bit.
There we go.
There you go. Kind of hard to tell the spots, huh?
Yeah, you want to make sure that the testicles have actually dropped.
Yeah. They have.
And we're just going to be going between the groove and the outside of the sack.
There you go.
So the higher that you cut the piglet, the higher up on the sack, the less dirt and whatnot they will get in their sack.
hold this in. Just a little bit further. There you go. There you go. Now make another slice all the way down. Perfect. There you go. Hang on, little guy. That's fine.
Okay.
All right. Straight on down. Just a little more.
I might do it.
There you go. Perfect. That's actually the inside of the sack right there. There you go. Perfect. Easy enough.
Okay.
All right. Come on, little guy. Ah. Farm work's kind of fun, huh?
Yeah. Ain't it?
Yeah, you gotta love it. There we go. All right. Got him. Ain't going nowhere.
Okay.
Number one. Don't worry about cutting me. I ain't worried about it. I use knives for a living.
Joseph, I am really good at cutting.
Okay.
I do taxidermy, so.
Well, that's a plus.
Okay.
That's still the outside or the inside sack. Just go right across it. Perfect. Oh shit. A little more. Like so. There we go. Perfect. No, 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 you ain't going nowhere. There you go. There's one. Makes it easier having two people, don't it?
Yes. Well, it would be rather difficult with just me.
Mm-hmm.
You know
Or
what I
me,
mean?
either one.
This is definitely a 2 or 3 person job.
Catching them is definitely a 3-person, but we figured it out. That's
We
a
did.
plus. All right, I think you got that one. Perfect. Couldn't have done it any better myself.
All
You
right,
good.
babies.
You good, little man. There we go. Cool beans.
You're all done, babies.
We'll get that thing back down in there. There we go.
You're all done, honeys.
There's all 3.
There you go, babies.
Perfecto.
There you go.
All right,
You're
now
all
scratch your belly, scratch your belly, scratch your belly. It's okay,
Let
buddy.
me check your cavities. Let me check for cavities. Yep, you're gonna have some.
Big ass tusk.
Yeah, big tusks, aren't you?
They already coming in?
Yep.
Holy shit.
Look at those teeth coming in already.
Yeah, they
Good
are.
boy.
Yeesh.
Good boy. All right, guys. So we just finished castrating the piglets. It went pretty good, better than I expected. You know, I never like really doing this part of the job on the homestead. This is real life homesteading. It's something that has to be done on the homestead in order to keep aggression away and to keep your meat tastier and to keep that boar taste away. It's something that has to be done. It's the most humane way that we know possible to castrate our piglets. So don't forget to subscribe and like our channel and keep watching for more real homestead videos. Bye now.